my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alice. Welcome. So I'm so excited for today's video because today we're gonna do Christmas decoration. Christmas! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, this is the first time that I'm really going to decorate my entire house. Well, I mean, my house isn't that big. It's just the living room, my bedroom, and the kitchen basically. But the decoration will take place in the living room. And I got inspired by two pictures. So the pine cone tree with the white on white combined with the rose gold kind of, you know, touches here and there. I started with the pine cone theme when I started ordering things online and shopping. By the way, I also did like a Christmas decor haul. I will link it down below if you want to see like each item in detail with the links and everything. So you could also check that out. And then I also did one video where I went like out and about town shopping. And then in this vlog, we're going to be doing the actual decorating. I'm just, oh my gosh, I'm a little bit nervous as well. I don't know why. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna put on some Christmas music. So let's get started. Get cozy, get your snacks, get your drink, and let's get decorating together. Welcome to my living room. I think I'll be placing the Christmas tree on that spot between the couch and the dining table behind there in the left corner near the balcony. And then I also might decorate this pink open closet, which I love, and this white commode. And I might also do a window. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. I've put everything on the table. Let me give you a quick view. So as you can see, we have the pine cones to go with the theme. And then I also added a couple of things that I just like this big flower. I really like that. And then the ribbon goes with the theme of the inspiration picture. And then we have mostly white baubles, as you will see. And then just a couple of props that won't be going into the tree. But yeah, as you can see, mostly white decoration and then just a couple of bits and bobs. The rose gold accent, and this is like all of the decoration that I bought. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I'll be doing is put like the tree together, I guess. Gosh, I will say this tree doesn't look expensive, you guys, but it's fine. It's my first tree. Maybe next year I'll invest a little bit more, but for now it's fine. So this is what we got so far. I think this is the best that I can get it to. So I like these branches up here, but look at these, you guys, underneath. They're so bare, like in the middle. That's just wire. So yeah, we'll have to kind of fill in the gaps a little, but yeah. Okay, so I think probably we should do lights now, right? I think. Oh my god. Oh no, what now? This is just a mess, you guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, you guys, take two. Oh, you guys. I feel like I maybe should have watched a tutorial on how to do Christmas lights. Like, oh my gosh, I'm actually sweating. But I think I did a pretty good job. The lights are in. I think a test is in order to see if they work. Yay! It worked! Okay, so maybe now I can kind of reorganize some of these if it's uneven. So as you can see, I hope that you can, in the tree you see all of these sort of cotton branches. So I've got these and I'm just gonna pop them here and there between the branches. I wish I had a couple more. I thought I had more, but yeah, we'll have to make it work. Okay, you guys, change of plans. I think I should do the ribbon first. Here we go. I switched to my main camera because my vlog camera is charging at the minute. But yeah, I did the ribbon as best as I could. And right now I'm just going to separate these and then put these branches in. Let's do this. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. I really thought that I wouldn't have enough, but it looks pretty good. Obviously I've put more in the front than in the back. So now I'm gonna move on to these Christmas baubles, and these are glittery. I don't know if there's like a right order to do this, but I just figured I'm gonna start with the medium size. So I guess I'm just gonna move on to this box right now, which has like small ones, medium size, and bigger ones. Oh, these don't have the little ribbons attached to them, so I guess I should do that right now. Okay, you guys, so all 30 of these Christmas baubles now have a wire through them. It was quite relaxing to do actually, but I got a little sleepy to be fair. So I made myself a nice cup of coffee. So now I'm gonna put all 30 of these up in a tree. So yeah, let's just do that now. So I think right now I'm gonna move on to the pine cones. I have this silver wire and then I just twisted that around the pine cone, and now I'm gonna hang these in a tree. Let's just go do that. Okay, you guys, so this is the current situation. There are not many pine cones in there right now. I probably should have ordered like another set of these, but yeah, I do have my own pine cones. By the way, these are so pretty, aren't they? I feel like it is kind of coming together though. Like, we're not there yet, but so what I'm gonna do is I also have these tiny ones, so I think I'm just gonna kind of pick them out, like the nicest ones and the biggest ones. Then I'm going to wire them, and then I'm gonna like snow spray them. Okay, you guys, so I'm not entirely sure how to spray this, but I'm just gonna give it a try. Let me just take off my ring. So yeah, should I do this outside? I don't know. Oh my gosh, I'm a little scared, not gonna lie. Oh yeah, this definitely smells chemical. Okay, I guess this will do. Like, I think that's alright. I think that's not bad for a first try. Okie dokie, I consider that a success. Now let's do the small ones. These are going to be a bit easier, I guess. So, but the smell, Jesus, I think I need to open a window. Okay guys, so I thought it would probably be a good idea to wear gloves. And now let's spray the tiny ones. So you guys, I found a new technique. Instead of spraying it directly on the pine cones, I spray it on top of like this Zara bag, and I'm just scraping the pine cone over the top of the snow, which creates a nicer effect. I feel like you really get like that contrasted look. I believe is way better. Like, it looks like real snow. So yeah, I prefer this. So I just wanted to show you what the tree looks like with all of these pine cones in together with the other decorations, and I really like the way it's looking right now. I feel like the look is really coming together, although we're still going to use other decorations. As you will see, some of the pine cones are sprayed completely white because that was the first method that I tried, but it's okay. I just love the way it's already looking. So let's move on to the next step. So I think I'm going to continue with the white baubles first. Ah! Oh my already becoming harder to like choose an area where to put them. So I feel like next we should probably put in these flowers. I only have 2 of them, so I want to have the space to place them correctly. So yeah, let's do that right now. I kind of feel like it works. I'll leave it there for now, and I'll, you know, go ahead and do the other decoration. And if it needs to be adjusted, then I will adjust it, of course. I think next I'm going to move on to these golden little birds. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So right now I've got like a birdie up there, and then here, one there, and then here. You guys, I decided that I am going to cut up that white garland and put it like here and there. I find that it's just like too empty in between the branches. Okay, so I've removed them again. The only ones that I kept are these down here, because that is the area where the branches didn't have any leaves and they just look like wire, so that was kind of weird. So for now I'm just gonna leave it like this. Oh my god, you guys, I just turned on the lights just to see what it looks like so far, and it's already so magical. I cannot believe that this is my first tree. With the lights on, it looks so much better. Just, oh my goodness, I'm really happy. I'm actually wondering if I should do the rose gold or not, just for like testing purposes. Let's just see. Oh, I think this is going to work. You guys don't mind this crazy lighting, like with my professional lamps off, but yeah, I just can't believe that I did this. I mean, of course I had the picture to like seriously guide me, but I mean, I added my own little thing in there, and I mean, I've never done this, so kind of like, oh my gosh, did I just do this? Hi everyone, it's actually 4 days later now. I needed to take a little break of decorating because it was Black Friday, so I wanted to score a couple of deals, and also I had to edit my Christmas shopping with me vlog. I'm so happy to continue. Let's go. I'm gonna put in these snowy little glittery pine cones, which are white, and then also these snowy glittery sort of snowflakes. So now it's time to add in the acorns. I just twisted some bendable wire around them so that we can hang them up. So yeah, let's go do that now. And I also decided to add a little bit of snow on top of the branches of the tree. I bought 2 of these snow blankets, and I think I'm gonna use one as a skirt of the tree. And then I decided to just scatter a couple of acorns and pine cones around on the tree skirt. And that is the tree skirt done, you guys. In fact, that is the entire tree done. It's time for the big reveal of my first Christmas tree, you guys. Next time on my channel, we're going to clean and Christmas decorate the entire living room. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video. See you next time. Bye. Nice little coffee mode here. A well-deserved one if you ask me. This is hard work, man. I didn't know. I thought it would be done in like 5 minutes. Woo. What's wrong with my sweater? I don't know. I'm not great at the tugging. It's just a little bit of a mess.